Struggling with Apple CarPlay on your Audi Q8? Let's troubleshoot the connection in under 3 minutes. Most connectivity problems are resolved without needing a dealer visit or expensive hardware repairs. Before we dive in, let's start with the basics. Start by clearing your device from the MMI, resetting the head unit, and testing a brand new cable. Check these 3 common software settings on your iPhone that frequently block the handshake. Inside the Audi MMI, ensure your data connection is active and wireless CarPlay is enabled. Most issues are simple phone-side fixes, but hardware failures will require a professional diagnostic. Software is the overwhelming cause of connectivity drops, making the dealer your last resort. For persistent issues, consider a full factory reset of the MMI or checking for dealer firmware updates. Keep these items handy to rule out physical port debris or deeper system errors. Remember, a damaged cable is the silent killer of CarPlay connections. If you are still experiencing drops, check for Audi firmware updates at your next service interval.